Hey guys, Wayne here from H2TechVideos. Today we're going to show you how to move pictures from your internal storage to your memory card. This is a great way to free up space on the phone and get your phone running a little bit smoother. So let's jump right in. But before I start, in the description section, make sure you scroll down and check out our top mobile accessories and products. We have a cool section now where you can see all the favorite things that we use on the channel here. So check that out. You might find something cool you like, and if you like it, go ahead and get it. All right, let's jump right in. So the first thing you want to do is make sure your memory card is in. The memory card does go in on the left side, and you would use your little SIM tool that you find in the box to pop out that little slot and pop your SIM card in, or your memory card. And what we'll also have in the description is some good deals on memory cards as well. We actually just found a 128 gig memory card for like 25 bucks. So check that out. That'll also be in the description. So what you're gonna do is swipe left and find your management folder. And when you tap on that, you're gonna go to File Manager. If for some reason you can't find it, as long as you're on the home screen, if you swipe down, you can just search your phone and you will probably see the File Manager up here in the app section. If not, you can tap here and type in File as well, and it'll come up. So File Manager, and what you're gonna do is, so the first thing you'll probably see is this is just the main page. You're gonna go to the DCIM folder and make sure this says internal storage. Oh, let's go back. Make sure this says internal storage. That's how you know you're in the right place. So internal storage, DCIM, tap on that folder, tap on camera, and you should see all the pictures that are already saved on your phone, okay? Now, what you want to do is move them from, again, the internal storage to the memory card because it frees up more space on your phone. So in the upper right corner, click on these three dots and tap on Move. And then once you tap Move, you can select certain pictures, or you can come up here, which is what I recommend, and just tap Select All. And now all 140 pictures are selected. And now at the bottom, in the bottom right, you're gonna tap on Move, and then tap on SD card, and then go to the DCIM folder, which you'll also see one for the memory card. So tap there, tap camera, and then at the bottom right, tap on the OK button. And now it's gonna move all your pictures from the internal storage to the memory card. I really recommend this. While the Stylo 4 is a great phone, it doesn't give you a ton of memory, so you might notice that it's filled up pretty quick because of taking pictures. So just simply purchasing a memory card and moving over your pictures and your videos will save you a lot of space in the phone, and the phone tends to run faster when it has more free space on the internal memory. So this could take a little while. Well, actually, looks like we're almost done here. But at this point, let the phone sit and just let it do what it's gonna do. You can also hit the hide button and it'll get out of the way. But basically, it moved all 140 in about 30 seconds. So that is it. Hope you guys did find that helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share the video if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button, and again, check out the description. You'll find some great deals on memory cards in case you need one to free up space on your phone. And you'll also find our top mobile products and accessories and links to purchase them and get more information. So check that out. If you find something you like, go ahead and get it and enjoy. Thanks for watching again, and have a good one.